Bulavinaka. My name is Esala Serula Mama, also known as Renandi KVT. I'm the founder of Fijians for Change initiative and also hold the role of being the chairperson. I come from a family of 10 siblings, and where my mom single-handedly raised us up after we lost our dad, who left a huge vacuum in our life. As a family, we experienced a lot of hardships, and my mother was a sole breadwinner. I saw firsthand the difficulties that my mom had gone through to put food on the table, and how she would sometimes go to bed without eating, just so that her kids do not go to bed hungry. Growing up as an indigenous transgender, I also experienced a lot of personal struggles with depression and anxiety, and having to face the world and its cruelty, and have been thankful to the friends and families who have supported me when I am down. Today I'm part of a movement and organizations such as House of Chameleon, where I have contributed to policy, influencing, and also humanitarian action. So when the COVID-19 grappled the nations early this year, I imagined what families were going through. The hardships and the struggles, I could see myself in their shoes because I grew up in a similar challenging situations. And so I mobilized a few friends and like-minded TikTok influencers who share the same passion of humanitarian work. Together we formed the Fijians for Change initiative, which is a multi-ethnic and multiracial group that promotes the core value of love, compassion, kindness, inclusion, and non-discrimination. During the midst of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, we responded to the needs and requests from heavily affected families and communities. We received an overwhelming response from the public, and through their kind-hearted contributions and donations, we have managed to assist further 187 families to 507 families to date. We have mobilized over 6,200 cash supported to provide essential food packages to families who are struggling to put food on the table. Most of whom we have assisted are those vulnerable members of our society, including the elderly, single mothers, and the LGBT community, or single parents or people with disability. We are now planning to formalize this group and registering as an NGO. We want to make use of our skills, time, resources, and networks to further this work of providing humanitarian assistance and support to our fellow Fijians. My mother often tells me that you can't control what happens to you in your life, but you can also control what you will feel and shaping your destiny in life. Vinaka Mahalevu.